Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdurrahman Hawad.
My name is Saada Ali.
أنا اسمي إسماعيل عبد الله علي.
My name is Fatima Omar Muallim.
My name is Liban Dair Abdi.
Hello, my name is Yasmin Ibrahim Ahmed.
My name is Ilyas Omar Muallim.
And I finished my secondary in Lower Ilford, which is a school in England, London. I am now a student of Simid University and I partake in a course known as Pure Economics.
I completed my high school education in Arsala Secondary School in London. I am now a student at Simit University and I'm studying economics.
تربيت وترعرعت في مدينة جدة. اتخرجت من الثانوية العامة المدرسة العالمية الهندية، مدرسة عريقة جدا.
I studied high school in Turkey.
I'm from Bristol, England. I used to study at Fairfield High School.
I finished high school, Brigham Girls High School in Kenya. I currently study in Simid University.
I studied high school in Turkey and I came back to my country, Somalia, to join SIMAT.
One of the reasons why I chose this university was because first of all, it had my course. Second of all, look at the beautiful landscape. There's many children that come from different places around the world and they all come here and it's a wide, diverse experience that the students get. And I really enjoy that because you can hear different languages and it's something nice to experience.
The reason I chose Simit University was because it has a reputation for being one of the best universities in Somalia. It also has a very nice environment and well-equipped resources and students that come from a wide range of different backgrounds and that are just like me. So I'll be able to fit in very well.
السبب التحاقي بجامعة سمد هي شيء بسيط جدا، هي من أفضل الجامعات في الصومال ولها أهداف واضحة جدا.
The reason why I chose to join Simid University is because it's one of the top universities here in Somalia and it's good for my field, medicine and healthcare.
The reason why I chose Simid University is because it's the fact that they offer graphical multimedia and that is Simid is the only university that lets students study that program.
And it's honestly, the praises are all across the country ever since I came here last year. And everyone cares about the students. They provide a conducive environment, beautiful scenery for any student to excel in their academics.
SIMAT is a very well-reputed university. I joined SIMAT to study medicine and I'm very glad to join this university, alhamdulillah.
And you know, I would like to say that I'm very happy and very honored to be a part of Simid family and I hope that many other students from abroad would also come here to experience this great reunion. Thank you very much.